Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this filter, which beanie baby are you, and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Olivia is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tray. So check in her filter tray and you'll find this filter, which beanie baby. Tap on it. You will see a preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it. So to use this filter, you have to press and hold the camera button. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram and use this filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.